Portland is a very small town. It's somewhere where you just drive through to get to your next location. I've known all of my friends since preschool. We all grew up together. My parents came from Oaxaca, Mexico. They came about 25 years ago. They work in a pear orchard and they ride their bikes to work. They've done this my entire life.
We moved to Fresno when I was 12 years old. We had lived in LA in the South Central area, and then we ended up moving to Northwest Fresno, which is a very white, upper middle class neighborhood. Moving here was the first time that I felt discriminated against.
I grew up in the Coachella Valley in a trailer, a lot like that one. I know what it feels like to be poor, to be hungry. Our communities deserve more. We deserve for our voices to be represented. Generations have broken their backs working these lands, while the multinational corporations that own them have become richer and richer. Our neighborhoods are unfinished. They have been crumbling for years.
They say conservatives run this town, but I look around and I see more of us every day, and we're willing to fight for our children's futures.
Growing up in my family, we were never really exposed to anything political. We never thought that our voices mattered. Families that are underrepresented are gonna have enough, and eventually we're all gonna stand together and we're gonna make the change, and it's gonna start with us.
Like me and my partner, she's Hmong and I'm of Mexican-American descent.
Yes.
I always think about my son, you know. He drives me every day to get up and work for a better future for my family, but also for other families like ours. I want him to experience winning for these people and take those lessons with him as he gets older.
For our mothers.
For what's going to stand up.
For our fathers.
Yo CNC.
Por nuestros padres.
I want to make a difference here for them.
A new California starts right here with all of us.
Our voice, our choice, our California.